In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like the game and join the group here in Murderers Vs Sheriffs on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and actually back out of this game. So go ahead and hit the little Roblox logo up here, hit leave and back out fully, and then just go ahead and either search for Murderers vs. Sheriffs or just select the game down here and essentially just scroll down a little bit and let's talk about joining the group first. So go ahead and find the little developer tab just like so. Select MVS Duels Community and then hit join community, and just like that you've joined the group itself. Now, to like the game, if you scroll up, you just have to find the little like logo right here. Select that and you have liked the game. That's the full process. Now, you can also favorite the game as well just by hitting favorite. But that is it. You can then load back into the game and you'll be good to go. If you guys had any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.